Hey, it's tacgearguy. I'm going to do an EDC update. As always, I have my flashlight, knives, and multi-tool. First we'll take a look at the flashlight. This is the Jetbeam BA10. Great little flashlight. It's 4¼ inches overall. It has a body clip. The only problem I have is it's only for bezel up carry, which I do. I'd prefer bezel down, but because of the slight difference in the gaps here, you're not able to. Otherwise, I mean, great light. You have the forward clicky, and you could do momentary, or you can click it on. It has a great tail cap for tail stands. Alright, it has two modes. It has high, and then you turn the bezel slightly to the right, and you have low. That's it, real simple. So you turn it off. If you leave it turned to the right, you're in low, or if you keep it cranked to the left tightened, you're in high. Now this has got a XPG R5 LED. The max output is 160 lumens for an hour and 15 minutes. And then on low, it puts out 12 lumens for 30 hours. And this thing's great. It's waterproof to IPX8 standards. Awesome flashlight. This is the package that it came in. It also came with a wrist lanyard, an extra switch boot, some O-rings, warranty card. Now what I forgot to mention is it's all powered on one AA battery. Now what I have noticed though, if you just use regular alkaline, you don't get as great an output. To get, you know, that output, the 160 lumens on high, you have to run lithium. But one AA battery, I mean, readily available. Even if you can't get the lithium, I mean, it still puts out a lot of light for such a small flashlight. And then I also, with my purchase, I got this holster. Anyone that knows me and has heard any of my rants on flashlight holsters, this is great. It was, I believe, $7. It was worth it. It's got the Velcro, heavy duty nylon, and then on the back you have a snap and Velcro here too. I just put some Velcro over it so the inside of my belt doesn't get all torn up. Has a metal D-ring. Sits great. I really love the flashlight. I've been carrying it for a couple weeks. I believe I paid $38 for it. It was worth every dollar. Alright, now we'll move on to the knife. Spyderco Native. I did a review on it. I'll throw up an annotation and check out that review. Great knife. Next we have the Victorinox Pioneer. This is a great Great knife. Closed, it's 3.5 inches. With the blade open all the way, it's 6 3/8 inches. It weighs in at 2.4 grams. And you have the large blade. You have the can opener with a small screwdriver. A bottle opener with big screwdriver. And then you also have a reamer, which is sharpened. And then you have the little key ring. The scales are ribbed silver A-locks or A-locks. What I like about Victorinox is, you know, they have their lifetime warranty. You can't beat that. There's a lot of companies out there with great warranties, and there's a lot with not such great ones. And we'll get into that in another video. But this was $25 off Amazon, and well worth every dollar. Alright, and lastly, we'll take a look at my Leatherman. I've reviewed this a few times. It's been in a couple different videos, and I'll just throw up an annotation. Great multi-tool. I mean, compact size, you know, yet it offers a lot, especially for its size. And this is what I'm carrying now. I'm sure it'll change up soon, as always. And this is tacgearguy. Thanks for watching.